this is one of the coolest things we've ever done. Hi and welcome back to my channel. I am Charmaine Shadina and this is my husband.
I'm JC Shadina.
And we are doing our very first overnight hike to the second tallest waterfall in the world. Join us on our journey to the Tugela Falls waterfall in the Drakensberg mountains. I am having so much fun. It is beautiful. The reality is that I am constantly blowing my nose. I'm one of those people that as soon as like the wind touches my nose, I'm blowing on it constantly. But oh my goodness, it's so pretty here.
For the wind, wait for the night. Stand here a while, take a little time. Since you went away, it came to a halt. Silence is everywhere, and you're not.
We are moments away from starting to do the chain ladders, which looks very intimidating on all like the pictures and the videos that I've seen. And I have to be honest with you, it's the thing that I'm like the most nervous and anxious about. So I'm really hoping that I'm gonna pull myself together and be able to do this. Your girl is nervous.
And now I'm running like there's no tomorrow. My life was on a one-way track. This ain't a story about happy ending. Oh, I could set this world on fire. I could tear this town apart. I tried, but I could never be a part of you and your beautiful eyes.
Chase is doing the ladder now, and then I am up next, but that is like super high. Oh my goodness. My word, that was intense. Like my heart rate is still going crazy right now. That was so scary. Every time there would come like this gush of wind, that was so intense. But the thing that scares me the most is that I have to walk that down tomorrow, and I don't know how I'm going to do that. Tomorrow's problem. Anyway, let me show you the view from there.
With a painted smile, I was the willow tree. You were the fire that burned me.
Jace is doing such a great job. He has been like standing on top of the ladder. He won't come up, and I'm so proud of you. That's so kind of you.
It's about 4 kilometers on top at the moment.
The elevation, it's crazy. But we are almost to the waterfall.
Right till the end, we didn't know we loved.
Very good one.
It's not easy.
Okay, this is the the first waterfall, but it's not the one yet. I think that this is one of the coolest things we've ever done. I'm having so much fun. This is so beautiful. I want to actually cry. This is so cool. We're having a little lunch break and we just got to the place where we are going to camp tonight. I bought paninis. The wind is legitimately too much for us right now. We are going back to camp. Now, let me show you our crib for tonight. We sort of have a kitchen going over there. There's a closet happening there. It's actually pretty spacious and cozy in here. Like, we were prepared to put on our layers, but it's actually so warm and nice in here. But check out our view. How epic is that? Just had my very first bathroom break under the moon and the stars, and it actually wasn't as bad as I thought it would be. It was a little bit chilly, of course, but in a way kind of also freeing. Like, it wasn't that bad. We are turning in for the night and hoping to stay warm. It's freezing outside, but the tent is relatively warm. The wind is a little bit hectic though. We are going to get up before the sunrise and make our way towards the waterfall again. The sun rises around 6:30, so we will see you in the morning. Thank you so much for hanging out with us, and if you like this video so far, please consider subscribing because we have so many more adventures coming. I can't wait to share the sunrise tomorrow morning. Good night. The wind has been crazy all night and I was really hoping that it's going to get better. In fact, it only became worse, but we are still going to make our way towards to see the sunrise. Oh, this is what it's looking like right now. We only have like a few minutes to go. The wind last night was kind of hectic. At one point, I honestly was convinced we were going to lose the tent. I felt as though we slept a lot better than I did. It was such a mission.
I was definitely feeling like, is this not ever gonna go past? Like, it felt so long and so windy.
It was one of the longest. It was so intense. By 3 o'clock, I was just ready to get up. It was so dark outside. I was just, my body was so tired, like my lower back was killing me, and I was just so done. So when the sun started rising around 6, I was like, let's get it.
Lekker bubber.
I'm just going to voice over this bit because the wind was so hectic, you could barely tell what I was saying. Because this was our first overnight hike, we didn't quite know what to expect in terms of the equipment, especially because we don't own the equipment. The company that we booked it through, Soar Adventures, owns the equipment, and they bought it to us like the morning of the hike. So we weren't sure like how big the pack was that we needed to carry, and I was really afraid that I was going to be miserable during this hike and have not as great of a time if the pack would be too heavy. So we decided to hire a porter, and this is our porter, Justice. He did such a fantastic job. So he walked up with our pack carrying our tent, sleeping bags, and like a little bit of the food. He carried it up on the first day and then went down the mountain again. And on the second day, early morning, went up the mountain again to get our pack and then walked all the way down with us. He was such a trooper and I don't regret this decision at all. And then JC also carried a pack with the stuff that Justice didn't take. So our food, I think another sleeping bag, and our sleeping mats. Everybody clapped for me because I just survived coming down from the chain ladders. I was freaking out. But now we literally only have the home stretch ahead of us. So I'll see you on the other side.